In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract art render image by using Blender's Tris to Quad feature. Let's create an icosphere. The faces are all triangles. Let's add one more subdivision. Let's turn the triangles into quads by going to the Face menu. They have all turned into the quads. Ctrl, B, and V, as in Victor, to bevel the vertices. Now we have a very interesting sphere with different faces. Shift, G, to select similar, and experiment with different selections. The diamond-shaped set of meshes from the preview render of the community page posted earlier was created in a similar way. It's almost impossible to replicate what we do with the Tris to quads, because one different step will create a completely different mesh. The idea is to create a unique shape by using the Tris to quads feature, remove the unselected, and solidify it. Ctrl I, as in India shortcut, was used to invert the selection. We can also get this effect by subdividing the mesh, but I won't use the subsurf modifier for this render. We can use Tris to quads feature by poking the quad faces first, meaning this feature can be used on any shapes, not just spheres. I'll make this shape look more interesting by using the simple deform modifier. The idea is to give an impression that this mesh was created manually, and make the viewers to wonder how it was made. That's the key point of all abstract art renders. I'll use an empty object as the modifier's anchor. Please do experiment with all available settings to come up with the best looking result. I'll duplicate this mesh, apply all modifiers, and apply another simple deform modifier. The idea is to use the second mesh as a shell. I'll render the scene from this angle. Please remember to apply all modifiers for the first mesh if the mesh needs to move up later. I'll add a metallic material for both meshes, and create a ground plane. I'll use the sky texture. I'll turn off use nodes. I'll use 16 samples to render to save time. Please use at least 128 samples to make the best looking result. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.